is Radharani chaste? Is she chaste and she's a sati? Is she chaste or is she not chaste? Because it appears that she's married to the son, to a person who is the son of Jatila and the brother of Kutila and the elder brother of Durmad. It appears that Radharani is married to Abhimanyu. Although she's married to Abhimanyu, then she meets with Krishna. So you're asking the question, is Radharani chaste or not chaste? Is that right? So some very prominent Vaishnavacharyas, like Madhva, they say they don't accept that Radharani is the Shakti of Bhagavan. Radharani is Krishna's. We say in our Shastras say that, and also in Upanishads, Gopal Tapani Upanishad and other places it also says, even the Upanishad says that Radharani is a Shakti of Madhav, Radha Madhav. The word is there, Radha and Madhav, in Upanishads. Nevertheless, he doesn't accept that Radharani is a Shakti of Bhagavan or the Ladni Shakti of Krishna. They flatly reject. That Krishna is married to Rukmini, and Krishna's lilas are in Mathura and Dwarka, especially Dwarka. But this Vrindavan is just some stories from some North Indian coward men. Made up some stories about a village hero. They say that Radharani is a celestial lady, an apsara from heaven that descended to this world. So, another famous preacher of a particular Vaishnava Sampradaya said that Srimati Radharani is an incarnation of Supurnaka. I'm not mentioning the name, but another Vaishnava Sampradaya says that Radharani's incarnation, or the advent of Supurnaka, who's from Treta Yuga, and Supurnaka is Ravana's sister, who appeared in Ram Leela and got her nose and ears cut off by Lakshman. And that Supurnaka appeared as Radharani. So the question of Radharani's chastity, is she a sati or not? It has always been under question. Even 5,000 years ago, during Krishna's Prakat Leela, when Krishna was here in Vrindavan, and many people in Vrindavan, they were doubting, when Radharani and Krishna were here and the Gopas, many people were doubting the chastity of Radharani. Because it's a small village. I live in this village, and that's not so small now. When we first came to Radhakund, and first stayed here in 1994 in Gopal Mandir for 10 years, and moved over here in 2004. In 1994, the population was 6,000 people in Radhakund, and now there's 18,000. That's quite a bit in 25 years. 300% increase. So in this, even now it's a fairly small town, and I can see now, even in this town, which is pretty big compared to Nandagram or those small villages in Krishna's time. Well, of course they had thousands of villagers also. But everyone in this village knows everything about me. They know everything about me before I even know it myself. They know who came, who went. There's no secrets here.